Let's see how to add and set up Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader in our Google Chrome browser. First of all, go to your Google Chrome browser and go to Chrome Web Store. In here, click on the search extension and type here Adobe Acrobat, and here you will find this extension. Just open it and click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and the Adobe Acrobat official extension will add to your Chrome browser. Now it's time to set up it. To set up, click on this puzzle icon and pin the Adobe Acrobat extension. Then click on this Adobe Acrobat extension icon. And here we can see the convert option, edit option, and the sign option. So now on, whenever you want to convert anything using Acrobat, just come to your browser and click here and expand convert section, and now you can convert PDF to Word, PDF to JPG, PDF to Excel, and if you want to edit your PDF file, just expand edit, and here you can reorder pages, rotate pages, and delete pages. Also, you can fill and sign, you can request for any signature for your PDF file from here. So that's it for now.